This is the beginning of part 2 of the video about the Search Engine SiteMap in DotNetNuke. So we have finished the previous video talking about the priority lower option here to exclude pages with priority lower than a certain number. Now, we have also covered the days to cache sitemap for. You can disable that easily just by disabling caching. Up to you. If you have a huge number of pages, you may want to cache this and it will refresh on a daily basis. And if you make any changes, if it's cached and you make any changes to your sitemap and you want to see the sitemap reflected that right away, you have to clear cache. You have to click in this option, clear cache. Okay, so the last section here under the Search Engine SiteMap is the option to submit to different search engines. As you can see here, we have Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and you can just click submit and it will submit. Now, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure of what this will really be doing. I'm assuming that each one of those search engines will have its own way of submitting a sitemap, and this submit button will do that for you. Again, you can give it a try. I have not tried that option yet. Now, the last option that we have available is specifically related to Google. As you can see here, this is for Google verification. Now, I have tried to use this option and it doesn't seem to be working 100%. I've tried to verify a site via this option, did not really work. But what I will cover next is how you can verify that you are the owner of this website in Google Webmaster Tools without using this verification option. Actually, I'm going to leave that for another video. What I want to show now is that I used to be asked quite a lot, why is that when a site had multiple portals, when a .NETNuke site had multiple portals, why is that the sitemap always only showed the sitemap for the portal 1? And I'm not sure if this was fixed now, or if it has been a while now, or if it was never a problem, but I was asked about that quite a lot. So, as you can see, we are in, of course, the main portal of our website, of this test website, and the sitemap for this portal is this one here. This is the URL for the XML sitemap. That's what we are refreshing here. And again, this is for the portal 0, the main portal of this site. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a second portal, a child portal under this .NET installation, and you're going to have a look how the sitemap will look like for the second portal. So let's quickly create a new portal here. Let's go to host portals, and let's go to the action menu, add new portal. Let's create a child, and let's call this test portal. Now, let's call this test. Don't care about this too much. Template will be the default website template. And we're going to create an admin test account. Don't care about that too much right now. And let's create here our child portal. Click create portal. Wait a little bit. Okay, so there's an error here about the email being sent. That's fine. We don't need, I'm not focused on that right now. There might be some email settings in this test site that are not set up correctly, but that's okay. Let's click to access our new portal. So here's the test portal. And if I go to admin Search Engine SiteMap, now those settings, those settings here, they are specifically related to our new portal, to our child portal here that we have called test portal. Now, as you can see, the site URL for our second portal is a little bit different. You see, there is the portal identification at the end of it that says number 1. This means that we want to generate the sitemap of portal 1, our second portal. Now, if I open this in a new tab, I'll be able to see the pages under my second portal. So as you can see, because this is a child portal, we have the child portal name right here, right beside the page name. So again, in the site URL, if we exclude the portal identification, it will bring the sitemap of the first portal of the site, and if we put the portal ID, it will bring the sitemap of that particular portal identified by the identification. For instance, if we put 0 here, it will bring, again, it will be the same thing as without any parameters in the URL. So why we are getting to this, because again, I was asked quite frequently why the sitemap of secondary portals were never working fine. Again, this feature might have been there forever, but I have never noticed that. So this is it for now. So this was an overview of the Search Engine SiteMap feature of .NETNuke. Thank you very much, and bye for now.